In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload the Uphold 1099b form info to Turbotax. This process can seem a bit complex at first, but with these clear steps, you'll be able to navigate it smoothly and efficiently. First, you'll want to head over to the Turbotax official site to begin the process. If you're not already familiar with Turbotax, it's a widely used service that makes filing taxes online relatively straightforward. Once you're on the site, you'll need to sign in. Having your login credentials ready at this point is essential, as this will save you from having to fumble around for your password later, which can be a little frustrating. After signing in, you'll arrive at the Turbotax homepage. This is your central hub for navigating around the program and where most of your tax filing tasks begin. Next up, look for the federal section and give it a click. This area is crucial as it houses the necessary forms and documents for federal tax reporting. From there, you'll want to head to the wages and income section. This is where you'll enter all income related information, including your 1099b form data. Once you've navigated to the wages and income section, the next step is to search for the term 1099b. Simply typing in 1099b will help you quickly locate the specific interface to upload your 1099b form. Now, you'll see a section labeled Investments and Savings. This area is dedicated to various income streams, including investments and any other savings, accounts or dividends you might have. Click on this section and you'll see an option labeled Start. Select Start to initiate the process of uploading and entering the 1099b form information. This point in the process is crucial. Ensure that you have your 1099b form from Uphold handy to enter the details accurately. Finally, to report your income accurately, you may encounter a prompt indicating that an upgrade is necessary. Turbotax has various versions, each offering different levels of support and access to certain features. Upgrading may be essential for those filing relatively complex returns, involving investment income like the one reported on your 1099b form. And there you have it, a systematic approach to uploading your Uphold 1099b form to Turbotax. Following these steps should make the process a lot less daunting, ensuring you report your income correctly and ultimately file your taxes with confidence. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Turbotax support for assistance. Thank you for watching and good luck with filing your taxes this year.